And 28/4 is the date allocated for this webinar. And today is the special day, World Veterinary Day, April 28, Ulaga Kalnadai Dinam, a small representation from the dog and the cat. Now, we are move on slightly to the academics, science and technology, education, and from there, we have to the final destination of research, which is prestigious power. So generally, we are telling the money power, the manpower, other humanitarian power, and other political power like that. But ultimate power is knowledge is the vital power. Knowledge is the vital power. So knowledge, it occurs all the information related to from the basics to the final destination like that. Now we are entering into the science and technology. The comparison of the same also. Science covers the methodological study, the periodic study of the structure and behavior of the physical and natural world. Physical world and natural world. Natural world represents the nature, and they are climbed over through the observation and experiment. Observation is related to your inference also, then only you can do the experiment. So it's a reverse process. Generally in lab, we are doing the experiment, you are getting the result. What you are getting inferred, then you can conclude. But here it is a reverse process. So from that we are getting this observation and experiment, because they will teach like that only, the life and the final output of the nature. Technology is the application of scientific knowledge for practical purpose. So if it is said to be a rules related to that, it covers the science background. But when you are going for application oriented output, application oriented physics or materials or representation, then it is called technology. So usefulness, utility, applications, efficacy, everything dealt with technology. Next, technology, science and knowledge are important in modern contemporary society, because the society is made up of different perception of the manpower, the religious thoughts, the communal representation, the behavioral representation. Education, the manifestation of the change in behavior of the human being is to be taken place. So technology and science, they are said to be the topmost studies of technology and science provides students with insight into how different processes of knowledge are initiated and progressed. This is not applicable to the students who are simply memorizing or mugging it up. This is for the students who are said to be with the enthu to get through what is said to be there, and they can go for higher level research to perform the output related to that, and we can go for final destination with more vital power. So the innovative technological process are developed, employed, and increase in the importance. Increase in the importance. Next, when we want to execute any project, we have to go by the administrative representation of the coined terms who are said to be applied in administrative purpose, public administration, sociology, and other scientific and technology terms. So this post-corp represents planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, recruiting, and budgeting. So planning, you have to plan anything related to the getting the related. For that, you have to get the output. Organizing. So we have the organization format to execute, implement. Staffing, we need staff to perform them. Direction. So it is to be the orientation.